Hey there folks, welcome to our channel Tech Traps, where we bring you the latest, the essential and the content that matters, defining how technology can enhance your life. Without any delay, let's kick off this video and dive into the exciting content ahead. In recent videos, we have delved into several significant projects that NASA has undertaken in their quest to unravel the mysteries of space. In latest episode, we shared details of NASA's Gateway mission to build a transit home for astronauts exploring lunar mysteries. Hope you enjoyed that video. If by any chance you missed that, then my recommendation is to watch that today. You will find the link in description below and an I button up there. Tonight, we embark on a journey of discovery, exploring the intricacies of this historic mission, its objectives, challenges, and the profound impact it holds for India and the world. Today, we dive deep into ISRO's upcoming mission, Gaganyaan. Gaganyaan stands as India's ambitious human space flight program, spearheaded by Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO. The name Gaganyaan comes from Sanskrit that translates to Gagan, that is sky, and Yaan, that is vehicle or a craft, truly encapsulating the essence of its mission. The primary goal of Gaganyaan mission is to send Indian astronauts, also known as Vayunauts, into space aboard an Indian spacecraft. Wondering what are its timeline? So Gaganyaan's timeline involves several stages including crew selection, training, and spacecraft development. ISRO has been working on developing the necessary infrastructure, technologies, and training facilities for the mission. Initially, it aimed for a crewed mission by 2022, but due to various reasons, including the COVID-19 pandemic, the timeline has been shifted. Let's discuss the project's objectives. The primary objective of Gaganyaan include demonstrating India's capability to send humans into space, conducting experiments in microgravity, and enhancing India's space technology. The mission is significant as it would make India the fourth nation in the world to send humans to space independently, after Russia, the United States, and China. As any other project, this one also has few challenges. You must be wondering what are the key challenges that ISRO scientists are facing in this mission. Well, the challenges are predominantly affecting the missions include human safety. Ensuring the safety and well-being of the astronauts is of paramount importance. This includes developing robust life support systems, emergency procedures, and medical facilities to address any health issue that may arise during the mission. Next, we have spacecraft development. Designing, building, and testing a crewed spacecraft capable of safely carrying astronauts into space and back to Earth is a complex task. This involves developing reliable propulsion system, thermal protection system, guidance and navigation systems, and other critical components. Next, we have crew training. Training astronauts for space missions requires extensive preparation to ensure they are physically and mentally prepared for the challenges for spaceflight. This includes training in microgravity environments, emergency procedures, scientific experiments, and teamwork. Next, we have mission timeline. Meeting the ambitious timeline set for the Gaganyaan mission presents a significant challenge. Delays in development, testing, or other unforeseen issues could push back the launch date, requiring careful management of resources and schedules to stay on track. Next, we have cost management. Human spaceflight missions are inherently expensive, requiring substantial financial resources. Ensuring cost effectiveness and efficient utilization of funds is crucial for the success of Gaganyaan program, especially given the other priorities and budget constraints faced by ISRO. Moving forward, the Gaganyaan mission was announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in August 2018, with a target to launch the first crewed mission by 2022, coinciding with the 75th anniversaries of India's independence. However, due to various technical and logistical reasons, the timeline has been pushed back. In January 2022, ISRO was actively working on the Gaganyaan mission, conducting tests and making progress towards achieving its objectives. The total cost of the Gaganyaan mission is estimated to be around $1.4 billion, Funding comes primarily from the Indian government with contributions from private sector partners and international collaborations. Henceforth, the Gaganyaan program symbolizes India's growing presence and capabilities in space exploration and technology. It holds promise for international collaboration in space missions and research. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and share. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tech Traps. Stay tuned for many more tech-savvy videos on many more trending technological topics. See you in the next video. Signing off, Suhani Khanna.